Guys, someone says Jeff can glitch. You see, last time Jeff glitches in my house, guys. I'm a different guy. They're a friend. I don't have one more. I have more friends. I need my buddies to get. I need help is to need. No! Ano ba kasi po? I see tick. I see tick. Someone told me to. Guys! Oh my gosh, guys! A girlfriend?
Yung 185 ang bayad.
What? Whoa! Whoa! I have a blood in my finger.
8 o'clock.
Oh no!
Alas 8 o'clock.
Guys! What? Guys, there's some candies. Hey. Hey! And why is up here a bunch of hammers? You left, guys. Why not? Shh, guys. There's a tip. No. No bullets. No. 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 Oh.
Naliligo na ako na. Sabi mo 8. Ewan, may 8 na ba? Wala pa. 7:30 pa.
Haha. I cheated.
Nabanggit niya yun. Yung baka mga may ano. Siguro may grade din.
Dude, did not see me, guys. You guys, why did you slide? Oh no.
15,000 ba yun?
Oh no! Ay, punta na ako, punta na. Punta na, punta na, punta na, punta na, punta na, punta na. Punta na, punta na. Punta na, punta na, punta na, punta na. Punta na, punta na. This wall is even not bad. punta na, punta na, punta